If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on Nothing Phone 3, what you need to do is first of all open Settings, and we're gonna scroll down in order to go to Google. Over here, we're gonna switch to All Services, and then we can go to Search Assistant and Voice. Next, we're gonna go to Google Assistant. Even if you have Gemini, we want to go to Google Assistant. And if you actually use Gemini, then in that case, you want to go to Digital Assistant from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant like so. And then what we need to do is go to General, and then here we can disable Google Assistant like this. And now you should not have access to Gemini or Google Assistant until you turn it on over here. Besides that, what you can also do is go back to the settings, and over here we're gonna go to Apps, then go to Assistant, this one without the description. Choose Hold Power for your assistant, and you can disable Digital Assistant and use Power menu instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.